The San Luis 5 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa is here to redefine your idea of relaxation. 6 people, 40 stimulating jets, and 2 Stormforce 7 pumps. It's a spa experience like no other. With a stunning 16 LED display and a Balboa control panel, luxury and convenience meet at your fingertips. Crank up your favorite tunes with the Bluetooth sound system and let the 2 fountains add a touch of elegance. Enhanced insulation and a powerful 2 kilowatt heater ensure you stay warm and cozy, no matter the season. Plus, enjoy a free filter, steps, an insulating cover, and even delivery and installation across the UK mainland. Blue Whale Spa also has you covered with accessories and chemicals, and with 0% and 4.9% APR finance offers, your dream hot tub is more attainable than ever. Experience the charm and create lasting memories with the San Luis 5 hot tub. Dive into luxury today